Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell how you recover deleted photos on your Android phone easily. So the first step, you can use the Google Photos. If you have internet and Wi-Fi, your data is backed on this Google Drive. You can use the Google Drive and you simply choose database data here. So my folders are showing here. Though this the first step is this. The next step, how if you have file manager, you open the file manager and you will see the bin folder in the file manager. You will see bin folder. You click on bin folder and view your deleted files. Recycle bin folder. Okay, the next step, if you have Google Drive, then you just restore your backup photos or deleted photos from this Google Drive. The last step, if this does not work, then you have to click on Play Store. You have to download Dumpster application. You have to install Dumpster photo video recovery application. You have to open this app. You have to click on deep scan. Here's your deleted pictures or photos and are showing. Here is the data that my photo pictures are showing. So in this step you recover your photos. The last step, if you have iCloud, Vivo Glide, Samsung Cloud account, then your data is already backed up to the cloud, then you can easily recover your photos and the videos. Okay, thanks for watching. I can show you my Vivo Cloud. So I have already some backup in my cloud data. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, share, and please subscribe.